Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Forgot the unlock pattern on your Samsung phone? Tried too many times and now it's locked? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlock your Samsung phone, whether it's a password, pattern, or PIN. Let's get started. Method 1. Factory reset via recovery mode. When you're locked out of your Samsung phone, the simplest solution is to perform a factory reset using recovery mode. This will remove the pattern lock from your Samsung device. No need to connect to a computer or Wi-Fi. First, power off your device. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons until the screen goes black. Quickly switch to holding volume up and power. When you see the Samsung logo, release both buttons. You'll now be in Android recovery mode. Use the volume and power buttons to navigate and select options. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm. Then select Factory Data Reset. Also, choose Wipe Cache Partition and confirm with Yes. Once done, choose Reboot System now. When your phone restarts, you can begin the setup process. If you've backed up your data, now's the time to restore it. During setup, if Factory Reset Protection is enabled, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Just complete the login and you're back in. But what if you've forgotten your Google account or password? Then I recommend using Tenorshare 4 UK for Android. It helps you bypass Google Lock on Samsung devices with ease. Method 2. Use Tenorshare 4 UK for Android. Launch 4 UK for Android and select Remove Google Lock. Then connect your device to the computer. There are several ways to remove the Google Lock. Try the new method first for the best results. Click Start to begin the removal process. Your phone may reboot several times during the operation. Once the lock is removed, you'll be able to set up your phone from scratch. When you see the Google sign in screen again, you'll notice the option to skip it. Tap Skip and continue the setup. That's it. The Google Lock is now bypassed. You're back in and ready to use your Samsung device. A quick reminder, unlocking methods will erase all data from your phone. If you haven't backed up your data, it will be lost. And if your phone is linked to a Google account, you'll still need to log in after bypassing the lock. That's all for today. A quick and simple way to unlock your Samsung device. Did this help you out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tenorshare for more Android tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.